So if you're searching for a working Hostinger coupon code, let me quickly explain how to get the best deal. Hostinger is currently offering discounts across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll also get an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this quick Hostinger review, what I like most is how simple everything feels. You get fast website speeds, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, Lightspeed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, which makes setting up a site really easy. And if the prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and pick your country. The pricing updates instantly. With its speed and simplicity, Hostinger is often considered one of the best web hosting options for most people. So, if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and grab the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.